Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your ShopeePay account number. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to the Shopee's website. Once you're here, make sure to sign in. And now if I go ahead and click onto my account, they don't make it easy for you to find your ShopeePay account number for whatever reason. So what we need to do is simply contact Shopee's customer service. So on the bottom of the page here in the website footer, we got customer service. Alright, so I'm over in that website footer. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on contact us. Alright, so if we scroll down here, so in order to contact Shopee, we need to contact them via the app here. So we need to head over to the live chat in the Shopee application help center, select the me tab, select help center and select chat Shopee now and just ask them, hey, I would like to know what my ShopeePay account number, can you please provide me with that? And they'll go ahead and give you your ShopeePay account number.